Good morning, Saugus. I'm Taylor Dyrstad, and today is May 7th.
I'm Chris, Taylor's dad. It's Ride Your Bike to School Week.
And I'm Laura, Taylor's mom. This is SNN.
Live from D5. For today's Fact of the Day, we thought we'd tell you about National Bike to School Day.
National Bike to School Day encourages students to ride their bikes to school as a fun, healthy, and environmentally friendly way to travel. The day promotes physical activity while also helping students build confidence, independence, and safe biking habits.
One of the main goals of the day is to raise awareness about bicycle safety and the importance of safe routes to school. Communities and schools often organize group rides, safety events, or educational activities to teach students about helmets, traffic rules, and sharing the road responsibly.
National Bike to School Day also highlights the environmental benefits of biking. Riding a bike can help reduce traffic congestion and pollution while giving students a chance to enjoy fresh air and exercise before the school day begins. It's a simple activity that supports health, safety, and sustainability all at once. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
There will be absolutely no parking, picking up, or dropping off at the church building tomorrow, May 8th. There will be a funeral service taking place. Please plan accordingly and be respectful to the church community that will be paying respects to their own all day.
Seniors, you can submit photos and videos to this year's Senior Slideshow. Senior Slideshow is a highlight reel of memorable moments you seniors submit at any point throughout your childhood or high school life. You can submit them to the SNN Instagram and email listed below. The last day to submit photos is this Friday, May 8th. No late photos will be accepted.
Congratulations to the Delta T First Robotics team on the incredible rookie season. Representing students from across the Hart District, the team earned a 2026 Rookie All-Star Award of the First California District Aerospace Valley event and received a certificate of special congressional recognition from Congressman George Whitesides. After raising over $13,000 to build their robot, the team has already made a huge impact through innovation, teamwork, and dedication to STEM. Congrats, Delta T. Now, let's go to Mr. Lopata and Coach Russell with this week's AD Minute.
Hey, how we doing, Coach?
Doing great.
Just another day in paradise.
It is.
All right, talk to me. What do you got?
Swim is still in CIF. We got track and field competing in CIF this week. Boys or baseball is finding out on Saturday who they play next week in playoffs.
Outstanding. Congrats to our boys tennis team yesterday for beating San Dimas High School at San Dimas. They now play tomorrow in the second round of the CIF playoffs against Coachella. And softball, wrapped up another 12-0 season. Incredible job, ladies. They will find out who they play in the playoffs on Monday morning. So great job. Let's go, athletes of the week.
Let's do it. The first Jersey Mike's athlete of the week is varsity swimmer Tyler Bunno. Tyler, a sophomore, went 4 for 4 at league finals last week and helped push the Saugus ladies to second place in league. Tyler is talented in all 4 strokes, and she will be participating in individual and relay events at CIF this week. She would like to thank her mentor, Gary, for inspiring her to be a positive and inspiring role model.
Outstanding. Great job, young lady. The next Jersey Mike's athlete of the week is another swimmer. His name is Anish Yaruva, and he went 3 for 3 at league finals last week, and he hit a CIF time in the 100 back with just over a minute, which was a lifetime best. This senior is a real leader with his positivity, kindness, and work ethic. Anish will also be participating in postseason CIF competition at Mount Sac this week. Great job, young man.
All right, the last Jersey Mike's Athlete of the Week is Levi Higgins. Levi is the Foothill League champion in pole vault. Levi vaulted to a height of 12 feet 6 inches to win league as a sophomore. Levi is not only an outstanding athlete, he is a top-notch student with a cumulative 4.56 GPA.
That's outstanding. Woo! Hey, just continuing probably the greatest season in Saga sports history. Great job, everyone.
Greatest year ever.
Remember, varsity basketball young ladies who had the great year, come by my room at brunch today. We're going to sign that CIF basketball. With that being said, Coach, anything else?
No.
All right. Do you have any idea where I come up with these dad jokes?
From dads.
The database.
Dumb.
All right. With that being said, let's head to our sports anchor.
Thanks, Mr. Lapata and Coach Russell. Good morning. I'm Taylor's dad here with today's Saga Sports Update. But first, I would like to say Happy Mother's Day to two very special women in my life, my mother and my wife, Laura, pictured here in between my father and I. As you can tell, I get my height from my mom. Anyways, moving on. There will be a CIF meet tomorrow at Mount Sac. Tomorrow, boys tennis will play in round 2 of CIF playoffs against Coachella at Saugus at 3. On Saturday, track and field competes in the Division I CIF prelims at Trabuco Hills High School. Good luck to our Centurion athletes. Girls flag football will be hosting spring ball next week, May 11th through the 22nd at 3 to 4:30 p.m. Ladies interested in playing in the upcoming fall season should sign up using the Google form on the Flag Football Instagram account link. If there are any questions, please direct those to Coach Russell at the email listed to the right. That's all from me. I'm Chris Dyrstad. Now let's go to another edition of Cooking with Eggs.
Come on, guys. Who typed the question mark on the teleprompter? Anything you put on the teleprompter, my dad will read.
Okay, guys, let's go to the clip.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Alexis Campaverde, cooking with SNN. On today's segment with Cooking with Eggs, we thought we'd show you Korean marinated boiled eggs.
For your ingredients, you'll need 12 eggs, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 6 cloves of garlic, 2 Korean green peppers, chopped, 3 green onions, chopped, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 cup of soy sauce, half a cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and half a cup of water. Don't forget to wash your hands. In a pot, add in water, enough to cover all the eggs, and add salt and vinegar. Turn the heat up to medium-high and bring the water to a simmer. Once the water is boiling, carefully add in the eggs and let them cook for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, remove the eggs and let it rest in a bowl of ice water for at least 10 minutes. Peel carefully and set them aside. In a container, add garlic, chopped green pepper, red chili, green onion, soy sauce, honey, sesame oil, and water. Mix till everything is combined. Add in the peeled eggs and make sure the eggs are covered in the marinade. Let the eggs rest in the fridge for at least 2 hours or better overnight.
This has been Alexis Campaverde, cooking with SNN. Very excellent.
That looks absolutely lovely. Thank you, Alexis.
There have been changes as to which bathrooms are now open. The gym and the S-Boy and girl bathrooms will be open all day. However, even girls will now have to scan in and out of the bathroom just like the boys. To avoid future changes and not ruin our chances of being able to use the restroom throughout the day, be mature when using the bathrooms.
Seniors, would you like to participate in the We're Going Places senior sweatshirt photo? You can now submit your pictures with you wearing a sweatshirt or t-shirt to the university, college, trade school, or branch of the armed services you plan to attend after graduation. Pictures must be sent to Mr. Freaky's email address listed below. The deadline for submission is tomorrow, May 18th. That's all for today. I'm Taylor Dyrstad. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Taylor's mom. Remember that Sunday is Mother's Day. Don't forget to do something nice. Have a great day, and SNN will be back tomorrow.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Aww.
Happy Mother's